VRTX is having a nice gain today, going to pop above the 50-day line, sort of clearly break above a trend line, a downtrend if you want to see that. Yeah, it's off its highs though. It was up more like 7% at one point. Is going to get above its old buy point, it looks like, a 367, which is obviously no longer valid. Positive phase 2 trial results for a drug for treating diabetic nerve pain. I assume that I'm not sure if this painkiller is going to be for other things, but as well, I know that there had been a lot of optimism, and then the stock, I think it sold off maybe on some concerns about that drug.
In the September-October timeframe, you were doing a lot of research into one of their drugs, and we're feeling bullish on the stock. Does this action today reinvigorate your bullish view of the company here?
Well, that's pretty good action. I wish I was in it I wish it would have done that when I was in it, which is, of course, it never does.
Yeah.
I was in somewhere in there and got stopped out. I don't remember if I lost a lot or made a tiny bit on the stop out, or I think I probably lost a little bit. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of a weird base now, but that's pretty good action, up 8%. And I don't know the news. I don't know if this is the product that everybody's super excited about. Maybe that's what
I assume it is, or I'm not sure if it's the specific treatment that it was looking for, but it's a painkiller. So I don't know how many painkillers Vertex has in development.
I mean, it was what I saw, on the surface, and I'm no expert, of course, but it, looked like a potential replacement for opioids. And, that would be a good thing. So that's what kind of got me excited about the stock. The stock was acting good. There's a catalyst, something you can build your imagination on. And so, I'm not in it now. I'm not in any hurry to get in it now. Not like this. It would find a way to wiggle me out. But if it can hold like this all day long, that's pretty good action. And then I would be more interested going forward.
Okay, so if it has a strong close today, then you want to see how it acts tomorrow, basically, is what you're saying.
Yeah, I would like it to be super quiet tomorrow, up or down, well, it's a $390 stock. So up or down $1 or $2 would be ideal. I think when you get an event like this, like an earnings event or something, and I've talked about this before.
Mm-hmm.
I apologize. I'm a bit under the weather, so my voice comes and goes. But if you own Vertex, let's say you're an institution and you've wanted to get out of Vertex, I mean, what better place to do this, right? Look at the liquidity, look at the volume and the price action. You'd have no problem getting out of millions of shares versus, when you're trapped. So as an institution, you have to sell when you can, not when you want to. So when you have this chance to do that and you're basically saying no thank you, that is a strong signal to me that the institutions aren't interested in 390. It's not a good enough price. So that's why I like to see it how it handles all day long, because then it told me, XYZ mutual fund at Fidelity, he or she has 10 million shares. And, they did nothing all day. And if the stock closed, up $30 right near the highs.